Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use Instagram Notes feature. So let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you are there, just head over to the DM section. And in here, you will find the option of share a note on the top left. Go to share a note. So as you can see, share what's on your mind with notes. Notes are visible for 24 hours and friends can reply with a message. So here you have to write whatever note you want. Now here if you tap on this music icon, you can add any music to your note. If you want to write a prompt and just want people to reply to it, you can just tap on the middle one. And if you want to create small video on this, just tap on this camera icon and you have to just share the note. And if you want to custom with the people you want to share, you can just choose followers you follow back, or you can just choose close peoples or close friends. So yeah, this is how you can use the note feature. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.